Netgear router. There are two types of ports. You need to distinguish between these two types of ports. LAN port. Internet port. There are more LAN ports than Internet ports. Internet. I use a computer to configure the router. Use a cable to connect the computer and the router. Ethernet cable. You connect to one of the LAN ports on the router. Do not connect to the Internet port. Do not connect to the WAN port, LAN port. Ethernet port on your computer. Configure the router as follows. Default IP address of the router, 192.168.1.1. I want to configure the internet connection myself. New password. Confirm new password. Security question. Answer. Security question. Answer. Next. Username, password. Sign in. Wireless setup. SSID 1. Netgear 2. Password network key. SIDD 2. Netgear 5G 2. Password network key. Apply. Next, set up access point mode. Advanced. Advanced setup. Wireless access point. Enable access point mode. Name and password. Apply. OK. Next, use a cable to connect the two routers together. Now, use the Internet port. Internet port. Ethernet cable. Connect the cable from the LAN port on the main router to the Internet port on the Netgear router. This is how to use a Netgear router as a second router. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. And here is the result.